Do you remember old VCD players? And how the display used to blink like this? In this project, we'll recreate that classic animation using Arduino. We will display the words play and stop with a blinking effect, just like a real media player. You only need a few basic components. In Arduino, a 4-digit 7-segment display, resistors, and some wires. Each segment connects to pins 2 to 8, and each digit connects to pins 9 to 12. Important, this project uses a common anode display, so the logic is inverted. The code uses multiplexing to control all digits and create smooth animation. The result is smooth, clean, and free from ghosting, just like the classic VCD player animation. You can download the code and wiring diagram in the video description below.